showing you all my slimes. I just made this slime, if you watched my video, and yesterday I made this one today, and this one. Go check out my videos for it. And yesterday I made this one. Okay, so I'll tell you how this works. The lowest number, like number 1, is the worst slime. And number 6 is the best. So yeah. Number 1. Number 1 looks kind of like a Frozen themed one. It's really sparkly. I used all glitter glue for this one. I didn't use any normal glue. I kind of wish I didn't do that. Oh, yeah, and I forgot to show you. I'm sitting on a Pokeball. It's really comfy. It's my cloud pillow. That's what they call it. Okay, so, yeah. I don't like how it breaks instantly when I do that. So that's why I'm kind of sad about that one. So this is number 1. The Frozen themed. This one, kind of like a river, so I call it the river one. I like the color a lot. But if I stretch it, it breaks, but not instantly. That's what I don't like about it. So number 2. Number 3 is one that I made today. Kind of disappointed how it turned out, but I do like it a lot. It's purple. Not a very good purple, sorry. The lighting isn't very good. It's really shiny. It's because I put my Justice Shine in it. Like it. See? I don't like how it breaks super fast. But I like how it feels on my hands. So that's why I made it up to number 3. So number 3. 3. Number 4, I love it. This one's good. The color is disappointing though. I mixed a lot of my colors. It's gray. I like it because it does this. Slime. I want to do a musically the slime song. Okay, so yeah, number 3. Number 4 is the cotton candy one I made today. That's what I call it. Oh my gosh. It feels so good. Cotton candy pink. This one. Wait, no. This is not number 4. I mean, yeah, 4. This one is. This one's so sticky. I just, yeah, makes a big mess. Number 4. This is not my cotton candy one. I mixed the 2 up. This is my coral one. It's kind of orangish coral. So yeah. I like it. Stretchy and I know it. See? It gets stuck to me. Usually more gets stuck, but just the look of the camera. Okay, so that was number 5. Yeah, 5. Number 6 is the cotton candy one. Just the way it feels in my hands. This one isn't super stretchy, but the feel. Oh, so nice. I have a 7th, but I don't know where it is. I always lose it. It's a different container. I'm going to find it. Okay, so I found it. Here it is. It's in a blue container. It's a soap holder. So I keep mixing it up in places. This color. I think I declared it as number 3. Maybe. I think I declared it as 6. And then the cotton candy, 7. This one's sticky also, but I really like it. See? Sticky. we just have to stick our hands back in it, like grab the ball and do this. I don't know how it picks it up, but it does. So yeah, that's my slime. And whenever it sits for like a few minutes, it makes like a little dog shape. But I could just leave it here for a few minutes. So I'll leave it here. I'm gonna fast forward. So it's only been a few minutes, but it's like that. Usually if you put different color, like the bottom, looks like that because of the box. And I think it's really cool. So sticky. Okay, so put it in here. This is the one that I keep losing.